Hello everyone, this is Dr. YP Singh. I am faculty at Department of Management Sciences, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today's lecture is better understanding of derivatives in Indian perspective. For the sake of simplicity, I have divided the topic in these contents. Number one, we will discuss what is financial derivative, then we will discuss why is financial derivative, then what is future contracts, and then trading mechanism, and then conclusion. Now, we will understand the financial derivatives. Financial derivatives are contractual products derived from some underlyings. It could be stock, it could be indices. And these are the contracts for a period of 1 month, 2 months and 3 months. Normally, these contracts are expire at the last Thursday of each month in their respective month. Futures are financial derivatives traded in stock market like shares, and future prices are determined in the stock exchange based on the demand and supply. Now, futures are standardized derivative product, means its lot size, expiry date and margin money are decided by the exchange, and of course which remains uniform across all the investors. Thus, there are two categories of future derivatives available in the market. One is the stock futures, that is future contracts derived from individual shares like a RIL future, and then index future means future contracts derived from indices like Nifty, Sensex, like Nifty future. Now the question arises, why is financial derivatives? Financial derivatives provide leverage to maximize returns by trading in lot sizes against payment of margin money fixed by the exchange. Secondly, financial derivatives are also risk hedging tools against the underlying holdings. And now we will understand the concept of future contracts through illustration. In future contract, there is right as well as obligation on both the parties, that is buyers and sellers of future contract, and therefore profit and loss both are unlimited in case of future contract. Secondly, buying and selling of future contract simply means buying and selling the underlying shares in multiple of lot sizes. For example, RIL share is bought and sold in lot sizes of 250 units. Now, take the illustration to understand the future contracts in a better way. Suppose Mr. X enters into an agreement with Y as under X agrees to buy 250 shares of Reliance from Y after 1 month from the date of agreement and pays rupees 1 lakh as advance. Here X is the buyer / holder of the agreement. Let contract value is rupees 6,75,000 based on current spot price. Here agreement itself is a derivative product and Reliance share is the underlying asset, whereas 1 month is the contract period and lot size is 250 units and rupees 1 lakh advance is initial margin money. If it is a future contract, then both parties, that is X and Y, must honor the contract as there is right as well as obligation irrespective of their profit or loss, and the advance of rupees 1 lakh known as initial margin will get adjusted with final settlement. Trading settlement mechanism. In future contract, M to M, mark to market settlement takes place on daily basis, means profit as well as loss are adjusted in margin account on daily basis. Secondly, in future contract, in case of open position, if it is not closed till the expiration date, the exchange through clearinghouse automatically square up the open position and the final settlement takes place. Spot prices on the expiration date shall be final settlement price. Now we can conclude the future contract. In future contract, of course, there is a right as well as obligation on both the parties, that is buyer and sellers of the contract. That is why long being buyer as well as short being seller, both are at risk, making the profit as well as losses potentially unlimited, resulting into linear payoff. Secondly, in future contract, the upfront margin, that is initial margin, remains fixed, whereas the future price, strike price, keeps on changing based on demand and supply. Hope you have understood the future as a financial derivatives in a better way. Please like, share and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you so much.